Good morning, sixth grade. In this video, I'm going to just be reading the questions that you have in your Studies Weekly quiz today. So let's get started. So I think yours looks like this. You start off at motion around the universe. I'm not going to read those to you because it reads it to you for you. So I'm going to just zoom on to the take the test. So your first question, how has John Paul stock helped save thousands of lives each year? The next one, how is acceleration defined? Number 3, which of these would be the best way to find whether a toy car will roll faster down a board covered with sandpaper or a board covered with aluminum foil? Would it be A, measuring the time it takes the car to roll all the way down each board? B, measuring how far the car rolls down each board? C, measuring how much weight each board will hold before breaking, or D, measuring the length and height of each board. The next one, Emily and Sarah are designing an experiment to test how far 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, and 4 kilogram metal washers can be pulled using the same force. What must remain constant in the girls' experiment? Is it A, the amount of force applied, B, the mass of the washers, C, the size of the project board, or D, the time it takes to pull each washer? Here we have a little chart. Consider the data graphed from the article Gaming Speed on page 2. According to the graph, about how long did it take the racer to travel 1,000 meters? Is it A, about 2 minutes, B, about 3.75 minutes, C, about 3 minutes, or D, about 2.5 minutes? Next, a 50 N force is applied to a 10 kilogram chair, but the chair does not change its motion. What could explain this? A, the chair's mass is too great for the force to have an effect. B, the distance the chair moved is very small. C, the forces are unbalanced. Or D, the force is balanced by an equal force in the opposite direction. Next, a 20 N force is exerted on an object with a mass of 5 kilograms. What is the acceleration of the object? A, 100 meters per second. I don't know what the second S is. B, 20, C, 5, or D, 4. Next, consider the table of data from the article Graphing Speed on page 2. What was the total distance traveled in the first 3 minutes? So we have our little table here. Is it A, 950 meters, B, 1,250 meters, C, 1,200 meters, or D, 3,200 meters? Your next one, how does a curveball curve? And last but not least, when the PE teacher asks you to play a game with the hula hoop, which type of force is responsible for keeping the hoop moving around your waist? Is it A, inertia, B, unbalanced, C, motion, or D, acceleration? So those are your questions for your Studies Weekly Science quiz. Hope that helps.